Hi, this is Alex with 12 Panel Now, and I'm here to talk about 3 common myths about drug tests. We'll start with myth number 1. If a line is faint, does that mean that there is maybe a slight detection of the drug of question in the person's urine? The answer for that is no. So as you'll see here, we're using water here for a sample. Most of the drug tests came up pretty clear, but you'll see on this buprenorphine panel that the bottom line, the bottom test line came up as a faint reading. However, if you can see a line at all, even if it is very faint, that should always be counted as a line. So for a bottom line in this case, that means this is a negative reading. Another common misconception: you need a lot of urine in order to do a proper test. So that is also false. You do need enough to at least fill up the bottom of the cup here, but as you see, the sample has a very, very slight amount of urine in it, but each of the readings came up very clear. So you really, obviously, more is better, but you don't need a whole lot of urine in order to give a proper drug test reading. And then myth number 3, the detection time. So a lot of people think as soon as you see the lines show up on a drug test, you're free to read them. And normally you can. Normally what you see in the beginning is going to be the proper reading, but it is always advised to wait 5 minutes before checking. And after 5 minutes, if the lines hold and the reading you see is there, then that's the interpretation that you should take after 5 minutes, not before or too long after that. So those are 3 common myths about drug tests. We'll also talk about one other thing that's not a myth. So I get a lot of questions about poppy seed bagels. If somebody had a poppy seed bagel or anything with poppy seeds, will that show up as a test, as a positive on an opiate panel or a morphine panel? And for that, actually, yes. So if somebody has a poppy seed bagel or something with poppy seeds, it can actually result in a positive for a morphine test. It doesn't take a lot for it to register in a drug test, and there has been cases, some that I know personally, where somebody had that and they almost failed the drug test because they thought somebody was doing heroin or something nefarious like that. But those are the myths. Thank you for tuning into this video. And if you have any questions or concerns, you could always contact us at our website, email, or call us on the details on our website as well. Thank you. Have a great